Right, ntuko ne yakenda mwezi wa 5 mutegeri wa Meru TV kagita na kange tuko shemania ire ntuko ya Juma ntuko ya muthia kiume mbere twethora tugitonya kire weekend ndene turingeme ntuko yeto ya Juma torango tariririe au kabere tukaza tukariria mantu za gikundi kimwe kia mbeu mbethi kire kije kienda muno ta Gen Z ni mwaka jumwe nyuma ya Gen Z kwethirwa abagishumiria kuregana na jamwe jama watho jara jombeta kuthura jagetikiro kana gukorwo ni thirikari kire mantu jege finance bill mwaka muthiru mantu kathombe izomera kuthura tugikujira maandamano jage kundi kia Gen Z bamwe kuthura bakigurarua bange batotoro bwao tuona gikundi giki bamwe bakitonya ndene ya bunge na mantu za mangi jamba kuthura jakiumira nkuruki tuthura tukiona bamwe bambe umbethe baba kana Gen Z kinya bakigwatwa migwate kana iraina gichonku to abduction gintu kiria akiombera kwithirwa igikithuria bamwe ba Kenya na atongeria kwou nyuma ya Jaja Jonde being it's almost a year kana tukuruka mwaka jumwe nyuma makarika Jaja Jonde ne kinya twithire tugetera ni finance bill ingi bakuthura ikiumira na mantu zange jamba kuthura jakirta thirikari imbia mbato kwithirwa gichenche mutegeri wa Meru TV what has changed nyuma ya Gen Z kuchumire kwa ya mbere buru mwaka muthiru kutetera ndiguru ya Kenya gintu kireka tumekinya Rais William Ruto omba kwithirwa agichumiria na kuga kuigua Gen Z kubathikira na mantu jara bariritia komba kwithirwa akijathingatira na kurega na jamwe I don't know so far kethira uge kana sauti ya Gen Z eni ombete kwithirwa ikithikirwa ni thirikari monkera nandi kana imbi kwithire twegitana mbere kagita na kaukonde number 2 Gen Z abakiri kana abakuthoma mantu Jaja Jonde tukethira tuija murikaga na kujategera na nkuru kikinyange kurikania urare kwa maranga thitia na arua ni murikita mantu ja Gen Z ure kuga ati uria guchunkuona kura kwa Gen Z kurijukia kagita gakaraja lakini guchunkuona kura kwa mujumbe kukajukia ntuko inkai Jaja Jonde tukethira tuija thujaga rukiriro na arua na umwe wa atongeria bambe umbethi aja ndene county Meru na nkuru kini economist kiri mantu jegie utaramu bwawe karibu sana Eric
ibwaga muno Dennis Bui kabisa kugura muno kugwatana nawe na mutegeri wa Meru TV marikani reto mbeto Eric Muturi Mwirigi ndi mubangi wa maendeleo orekia kuga the economist na rua ntukembethi era mbetherie patron wao kiri gachagacha kana kiri mubango joko kwerekania tuthira twina Meru Youth Council mantu tuketha tukereria jegene ona mantu ja Gen Z tukenderea na rwaria ukutariria bwaga muno rugono na safari era tumite twiri ndiguru na mantu ja Gen Z bwambirie na dissatisfaction kana tukwitha bati kenerete kana bati gwiritwe i finance bill na appropriations act 2025 iji sheria ire cha thondeki cha konyenia ora thirikari ikubanga kutumira mbeca mungana jwa about 4 trillion na erekania njira ire bangite kuthurania mbeca ire na thina nene ya umere no ntu thirikari endikithairia kwetio ogoti kiri basic goods and services kana interpreto tumera vya kuothia maisha on tuko na kwethira randi mantio jare kare jora Kenya kawaida mbaku economy tete bwega no to cost of living na rigoro kana batata kobira into ko ni byari kuongera mauguri na baigwa jakabati nkuruki na baumete kanye ne kara thirikari Kenya kwanza rekete kuthiria miaka iri ende ina promises nyingi iraba kona ite ukinyanira nonto burabwari babata tikuongera muno kwa ogoti ikioria kia ogoti bubu itumika atia na June 2024 protest icha mbiririe chitongere twindu kembethi ndukire gwetwa Gen Z indi nyambere ya protest kana antu baumara ome ku protest physically itwathire tuna rware ruraja muno rwa period of budget making process and on to pendekezo ichethera chirio cha taxation icha discuss one on to ningwa gitare da participate ke na ndikipato na TV chetu tukegera ya kuchunkona finance bill yangu na antu betha bena awareness inene muno ko antu barabo marage street ibaithere to bena concrete information ne betha bakemenyaga imbiongwa ba protestera na ikeno ntu thirikari onere mantu ya kwari factual mukenya na rugo kimetho ari uria kiuria kira kibatiti ti akiugagia kana akiringa area na protest yu chethera jana form thirikari tona kairi ntu chiari decentralized mbere maandamano jama ingi jathirwa Nairobi indi jaja kwari na organization eri intangible kana eri otomba kuga nore ko o manto ne jaja no to ja tongere tu tech survey kana bajenzi para ba marere tike manzo technology na bino to through Twitter erarande gweto X Instagram na TikTok neo information had disseminated na mobilization na nya WhatsApp no to itware na teams ikwethera itwachirite twinde twetimune mwanya cha WhatsApp group na au neo mobilization yithagwa ote antu bari ko chamania na ne borrowed a lot of lesson kana maritano kuma ke protesting ora to learning ekona ora tomba ko sustain na tomba ko achieve our objective na kwa utoga tutakwenda kwa tuna leader eto leaderless eto tribeless eto partyless non to manzio ya to affect twinde na twinde atoka itongeria kenda tomba ko achieve objectives chetu na form kana structure no mbere ko kira lot of pressure ke thirikari interechonde no thirikari negererie mbere ne ambetie kuona jaka iri maandamano jaka kawaida jantu kwimwe alafu jakathira indi jendera jakiongera orito na momentum monkai kinya level and thirikari ambe ku ban through the police to ambe kuiro protest ni illegal angatotea announce itabwaga but Kenya ibaije fundamental rights chao na kinya maandamano kana protest injira imwe ekokoria Kenya nonto anto baitumo kana tubakiri fundamentally na tutogana ndikuru geta na mbere nonto kinyaja tukinyete nya kuona independence na liberation zira chonde tonete as a country ni anto kuijamwe na kuerekeria araba kuona gutete tabwaga na monka finally kinya nyuma ebara twetaga SMPs kwetwa parliament ke parliamentary chetwa PG parliamentary group na anyantu kuba kweta parliamentary group no twari maandamano na toga ituje na robo kwetwa parliament state house na rojo bagata kukurukia finance bill na omaba eta next day na bakurukia finance bill anorikana rande ontuko ewe kurukia finance bill akenya rande barabara Nairobi ibaitere street na bogaba gete rabone ketera kauma ajumba baba gakurukia finance bill na pa kurukia irorande baigwa representation yao etukungana nonto voice yao iri nao me kuringa ketuma kinye kwa thiro public participations chama tujaja na twethera memorandum cheje nyingi mono cha kuregana na mantu jau but MPs baendelea na mbere kukurukia na norikana rande trona release the blood parliament the other day na niko nyine bwega anto batare na bategweta parliament inde they kept chanting inde bona either direct representation kanto akinya bona bachi represent pebongwa na batonya parliament tutathiria kiumia mbere President William Ruto atea succumb to pressure na hiyo ni victory agency na juju mwanjo jo agency ende botathira au no turande agency pora bwambirie bwe fight eco reject kana kuregana na maendekithania ya finance bill na budget appropriations bill ije trenande ja transform na after finance bill ekorito tuambie gutega mantu ya corruption tuambie gutega mantu ya systemic issues ire chuto makenya tega mbere tuambie ku address nya issues cha police brutality ikino kitumikira police kinya during maandamano ya abductaga antu babethi na eka use brutal force so mantu jara ijambire kwarwo na inya buru rande jaethera je kaumo ka kirage kwirwa thai Ruto must go
Right.
nontu thai tore mantu Ruto must go mende jomere ki protest yai era agency na baruga ate kugo akino ntu finance bill kwina mathoga kwina bonene nkuruki tuga jara tuga tibo kagota kibu botare po finance bill ake kire antu kimbithe neo ithirikari function ire komba kutungatira akenya na ntuke mbithi to bone ngugi na systems to work healthcare systems to work mantu jon deja work para baingi ba participate ke maandamano antu bari ki universities bari affected inya gitareu I proposals injero cha university funding model ire monkadha itra na mwerekera na confusion nyingi president wengo na agereri nyago ita forum ki university kugira kwereza are wengwa na bado models zitromba kwereka
Right.
na ndi bora bware bwa finance bill egwita ende klama enjero yambia na klama eje yambira kuria pure efficiency kana effectiveness thirikari nene na inya county chetu ikariate twambia kumurika mbeche cheri chikathithia untubona ikuthithia na twamba ku na riu ikwari na issues nyingi muno the national government na monka twaskuma no ntobori reforms yu cha kugira kureta utongere bu bweru monka President William Ruto aenga kambe yonthe cabinet ontontije bweregerire no ngare ya tutare makini kana tutachioki kabisa nontu ke time ya tutona pressure ekarisha mantu tware ya police brutality nambi ja tuma IG Jafet Kome kinyawerwa a step aside na momentum Ruto must go endelea monka mucho ne Ruto afoswa kutonya kire handshake augete wengwa achietete kabisa kibara atomba kuthithia handshake but Gen Z batuma for survival etachwa baba kikiraba etere broad based government na kire broad based government iji Gen Z ba regera mbuga nonto twagere victories kudingatana embere to ku the finance bill thirikari everything live within its means na toka gutena roro finance bill nonto twina finance bill ere ona no yo sheria ko thirikari na njira ekuthurania mbecha twabaira rande ilazima ureta thirikari ire accountable na ire eko address issues na corruption na eko address mantu jau jonde nyarithia ngap cabinet ire utoga na jau jandingata na mukala nditwe na broad based government ire nonto Gen Z kiraba na bata na kyo iweti na mbere na mantu jara chomba kukoria ndiguru na kuchange leadership na kinya after broad based government Gen Z yona rande ija karataka achethwa na rande ambia push enjero ekuga we have to have an IEBC in place nonto Gen Z's ibategra bona baraba tumete twina thina yonthe members of parliament bakurukia into batena mathuganio bate gucira na kwethira agencies iba kwenda ku recall some of these members of parliament na pressure injeru yambia the IEBC na kinya watu na wana harwa nontu pressure eu nontu kinya period eu last year na reo Raila na Ruto bachemanirie na basaina pieces zimwe cha setere to motion process ya new IEBC momentum na success the Gen Z movement is consistent, visible na they're still alive non tu kinya agenda monkatha iji ira visible ke Gen Z no ira mwe ira yambire ke maandamano Ruto must go accountable leadership me Ruto are represent a system watu kwa Ruto must go to represent a system area in a traditional governance system ko entrench political view and tobakai few members in political parties can antoba formaga ke vyama na ba dhanthi urapa kwenda entrenchment hiyo yonde no ko represent ki slogan era Ruto must go.
All right. When Eric Ngakuria ntuko yecho itwari na gekaro na waziri wa interior Kipchumba Murkomen na indari part of gekaro kiu na Alba na noriru kiureke mo Gen Z geu kiureke ki orderwe it's like a year after Gen Z bako demonstrate na bamba ko droba kiuragwa family chiata ndovao orwo kiureke tara justice monkera na ndene mbeta ko droba kionekana ki the Gen Z's kind of families of the people who lost the young people during demonstration. Ugategera kagite na kaka for example nyata gaditi na arwa ne konania high tech forensic ni nini tumiri kodro eketingatira baraboragire orare mujumbe Charles Were but kaditi the same kauga njiri itu tumirwa kutaga baraboragire the young people monkera na ndele kaiya no kuona taka justice edilite ikionekana kiri the families of the people who lost the Gen Z's kana kuna still that delay.
Justice igentu kimwe kira Gen Z's bakurunga mbera na rea tuambire na police brutality era lidire kia cosmetic removal Jafet Kome na era tutukuona nya after abductions chikuendelea IG reo to call for his resignation atikuingwa etiko make any sense niki Jafet Kome engero giti kiuria kiaku justice as Ahmed etira Ahmed kinya ki documentary yo traona blood parliament itukuona instances ira Boniface Mwangi akoonyania participate tekire madhiko ya some of these young people na the cries of the mothers fathers na antobao are still itira angurwa na bara pako identify wa monka kire kamera na bamwe ba identify gonya during maandamano no ntorikana ito asalimia kwantu ba salimia kwa na tukemenya kwa hojo monano o thiri onto mona justice Ahmed na ikyo onto MP may so rest in peace Charles Were urani ngwambije onto na bit na ithega biashara aja meru mbere ya mujumbe.
Oh, you know him?
Yeah.
Personally?
Nonto nkiambia kwa mbere ya mujumbe na ita biashara aja Meru town and at one point I interacted na mbije nya interest ya cha Meru some of akuetwa akuragwa in assassination. Gen Z's they were not apologetic nonto that is not the first life lost nonto ebo mere na bauga nonto rea tuonete abductions na baba bakiuragwa na instances zimwe MPs baka kutonya parliament baka issue very insensitive comments and baka expect the same kino ndo tugere rangi daraenda kurere kegita reo Gen Z slogan yako yare wewe ni mjumbe peleka ujumbe MPs baere jakaba demigods kana they are self seeking kana kitha self seeking by kitu na ara kenda ba support ba yes people kere executive ba destroy the complete frame na structure na substance democracy yera ire representation nijo rambo mba gutuma ngakora eta interest ko kariuju utuma gweta kiunge bungana bwithira bona conmanship nonto MPs baba ibaba tuonyetie our lives don't matter but our voice doesn't matter nonto ekethirwa it mattered na twinga tukethirwa nonto kira kitumaga disquiet ria mtu igagua kana okaigwa ote represented na ikino nonto bongo ibaba fuelete the Gen Z uprising ni bongo batumite we don't care even what happens to them na wataka kuona where akuragwa ukona hashtag zile cha floaga na Kenyans don't care inde otaka kaire thirikari no ekonye this exact disparity within 2 or 3 days already suspects bagwatirwe kwa forensic na all the expertise has been used na kaire toragia re baragera ko crack down on baraba produce it blood parliament na kuganyeka ask big screened ikuga na togateka tokoria aturare gwetera media house BBC yeja kuthithia kwambia investigation twena functional government ikuga ke kuigotonyania kauma is either government or accomplice kiri abductions nonto in biomba kwetha informant monkadhai government etera initiate inquiry na etera investigate crackdown na etera investigate etera ambiria njira ko bring justice ko compensate oretaga were arekirwe nyana na ndege che trikari bechere chotumeka chonde imbeche cha mwingi it's that chauja kuendelea ku fuel ne kuendelea ku fuel anga agency na kaire gitoke moyo kirambo bokwira ni ati nonga mtoriti kana mtu ote kunuki maetho omba wa assume Gen Z movement na ithirere na mantu to finance bill cabinet ejero no tunya to na issue with that cabinet as well IG witwa na broad based government na tomanto to kuthigwa but wengo nwije ndaromba giteka mujumbe aja no thiment reu ndaromba gitende to akajana kana thiment na reu attachment rero ne kwa gite antu ba mariritie na antu especially aja antu ndeta bambira gwa reto kajana gikija mbira gwa kajana to kwa gitiri uringi batai ningwa na nyawe ngo weta nanya na mbitaga nyana antu romba gite meru teringi chamiru ukiwa chiari kana baraba tuere ko tutongere kira tukaringa kura bagitira randi bu Gen Z andi bobo katwira kwenda alafu tutithia atia itu tukaringa kura 2027 ko the Gen Z factor a year later if factor it a lot of conviction na baraba tuere kuringa kura orabaringaga ibo churi bure monodo na bakoni ibonga bako they are to blame no tiboba nyathirikari iji Kenya kwanza no boba tongererie na inya na bomera na inya ba miringira kura andi thai bako step aside bari garandi buri ibo Gen Z batonye njira ora kathithi atia egeta so the Gen Z factor from 2024 ikaonekana na ikathira a big factor ngubonyo ora etagichinjagia munka thai tu have an IBC
Alright.
na kinya kithiriza IBC Gen Z are awake na ntinko na kinyiba kwenye link even the new chairman na a personal assistant to the president of the Republic of Kenya na tokende ko bamurika monka muicho monka njira ira kinyaba kagire kuya kura ete visible
Alright. Monere kingakuria tugatagera kwena pamwe batongeria bombete kuthura bakethura maybe in different capacities na bangi bathurwa barani young people. Atongera baba ukibathujaga na ukibatagaira ibethiritwe bagi speak on behalf of the Gen Z kana bathura ba baezo itibiria bakinyara babakorirwa kwena these young people behind bakorirwa bakambia gutumikira the boss kana the employee ro mweketara
ande otongeria nabu ndukireo otongeria bura tutaga equality kana mtu kuelewa imbiongwa athuriri gitini na ndukembethe ki positions zimwe ire iko over performance outstandingly na kwe bangi baretete ndukembethe down na ikino the democratic process njira bangi kisheria ora tomba gwita na ora mtomba nontu koto nyombere wa gogo to idora kimanyoro ga perform na ikino ntu mtu aeja kwa space kenda kino ntu kinyambere Gen Z pambia uprising trikareje na 2 years munka tona kauma batu eteko gata ora bati na tukuga mantu broad based government na broad base yeu na retere kwe base reo eko represent young people na the Gen Z na au ongwa eto athurire kwa nchinya mwana wetu umete aja miru wetagwa Eric Mureithi muga nya imuje no tunda muje nyambere ya CS na tuko mumenya na nya nditwa chemeni na function na to have a good day amwe ore uto na athurwa gwa twagwirwa ndio mtu akamunene na ere munene na twetha very supportive na toigwa the voice of the young people is been represented in that government na etwa ki prominence baraba supportaga that new formation but around we have a Gen Z cabinet in the cabinet Gen Z voice in the cabinet now with Tomejokyo na this is an year after it's now towards an year after Moga akwa member of the cabinet that period Moga especially aja ikuithe kuna attempts chako geria
ruga
aja mero kuithe kuna attempts chako geria como host anga tukaigwa nga gitike mwana wagite veteran politicians ba ejano but twendu kimbethe itu arungamire na touga utomba kurita gitike mtu kimbethe onenkera mukuru na moga nambete ko demonstrate are mtu mbarande ko mix ko blend professional delivery technical delivery na awareness no tu lazima uelewere imbie tumete ojukwa ijo rarande tuga mantu regional representation ko na rande representation age rande moga representation ene Gen Z across the country na were wetero nyantu kuimwena okay point 1 no kona ntu bari ko profile as a Gen Z in parliament no batirande ko represent the spirit no bati ko represent sauti ira cha Gen Z kenya Gen Z na rabare ome paigwa no what people need always in assurance okona ijora example ije anto mbigo bakiure mono reto nonaga mumero akajukwa akaneni wa somewhere itugwiragwa ijora nandi ngwire tukwithira twena popo mwero no de Catholic
yes
miando nyato maisha jakwa mbuga ntikaro muona ntikaro but you are happy nokuigwa jora wemba gweta gonto kuigwa ukauga ora mungania no ntura yetu antu beto bantura they have very much pride na kwena pride era it tangible benefit tomba kugwatanira nambi but kwena kugwirwa no kinya ntubere mbeje chako kuthithia celebration a victory no kona ojora turingite sherehe na tugwiritwe sana no turande batu turari barabara nda utongere bumwe waja miru na governor mutuma ntu ithinkia akwa governor tugwiritwe tukatumira mbeca chetu tukamatha tukagwirwa nontu ni ku represent dreams and aspirations chetu and that's exact just what people want inde ndakwira randi tokwa Gen Z cabinet secretary wetu Kanya na ako na Kanya we atonya na achi distance kabisa na movement ya Gen Z na ugarande is a technocrat na ikino ndeuga anto amwe yituga kariki kenja gatega bakoga indi ka muga kateko ndenya gutumika kogeka kariuga gateoga binto bina kana binto bina nonto ariuga we is not an activist and is not a politician ko nya to mo address issues ira chimba ko address politically ariuga they are not in my docket lakini inde kiuria to koria atire cabinet e discuss amantu ya Kenya ora changana utereo mantu jange jarairwa muga kerora ndi nonto jarujo ja kuthira ogo mara andi batuto tiki kwari mantu jange jai and the voice of the young person has eteo na tukikinya to this conclusion nonto ngore and the patron the patron initiative ekogere kureta Meru Youth Council ireka integrate youth voice in government na kedha mentorship of the next generation of leaders wana manto ja maingi interacted na these young people ibo umagaba geta kwa even other leaders nonto young people in their groups and forums ninyo katika in developed democracies initiatives zira chichinja yande chuma kuma young people inde gotena framework engani initiatives ichi chomba gutonywa kire mitaratara ya thirikari nuije the founder sana culture na ora tuithagia ku support art nije the founder homegrown volunteer movement iraike mantuja ku promote organic farming na ku address climate change action bange kintu kimbithe bena mathugano jange na formations zingi chomba ku chithithagia cleanups chika visit street families chikagira ku create initiatives in developed countries organizations hiu china linkage na thirikari through youth councils oga ataka ukona in UK hiu ni automate kwa very functional and responsive government na ku advise nya government areas not to government is for all of us na lazima kuwe na link between policy makers and the young people and those young people are frustrated ibamba ku get audience from other leaders in Meru even nationally but Kenya kiri Eric Muga ora we CS or water how no they draws the line known to like 3 weeks ago with young people we participated ke forum ya Kenya United Nations na Muga na promise it aka support among other things aka support and the material data Kenya ino show na what the youth bakwenda ikuwa very represented na iko hata moral support na actual support na to leadership in a higher calling and to meato ture a technocrat na the best place for a technocrat is not at the cabinet level ekeda we akochia drona technocrat he can do a very good job as a director in the national government.
Okay. Pengine what if CS Muga aridithio nikienda kwebera kuringithano na siasa no either kuena something like that
ende ogache birania tena siasa
mtu kitika waziri kitekwa ndaringa siasa
ankore iti siasa ni ari para bonde tutwere abo bai mawaziri menya development menya siasa chi ke manto jonde kinya kidurano gya pop ke kirare ori ere kanisa
yes
to democracy ra karikaka otomba ko chi distance kana chieberaniria na police setup ore kari na support Gen Z kana kuthikira kana ku voice Gen Z cabinet siasa inaire.
You feel that Waziri Moga ata voice atareke that voice of Gen Z kire cabinet
Gen Z
ora kuko batara atareke
na kuna identity nakona kwa how you identify yourself na kinya based on aere waziri under what circumstances kikiurege kinene na mtu lazima uende kintu gito situational awareness utumba kuma utumba kwithora thai tukumaigu kwena mpiome na kana igukura alafu umana vest nontu inchamba nontu no kuona lazima tuone how you take yourself na Gen Z nere satisfied nangokera for a whole year. Ningwa on record I have been a key defender for Waziri Eric Mureithi Moga. Nonto we thought he has situational awareness. No kona. Ende nande mantiajo onde tukarakaire tukachoka kaire tukageria ko interrogate backwards. Na tukaona bado Gen Z batikuwa very represented in government na government area in its form broad based ke formwa we aire ajete ku represent the plight tukara tuona mugare Gen Z is represented. And tikana na generational representation aki ikino ntenya ko kuna regional balancing rera itevi kwa janwa kenda Mumeru aigwa I represented in government. Kinya in that scale kwena bu tote kuomba kuona kuma kiyo tongere bwayo nonto Eric Moga thai by standards no the highest ranking political leader. Akacha area is not a political leader in Meru. No kuona
by highest ranking oruga no the like powerful.
Yeah, in terms of pecking order.
All right.
Nonturande is at the national level, is at the highest decision making body in the land. No kuona na influence tutombo kurandi no mogare no water mogare na influence ego toretera barabara here in Meru. Okay. Na influence eko address issues iche insecurity chirare aja. Because that is what other leaders do. And that was they have done in the past. No kuona otomba kwithirwa month jakara irwa methene aja wigwa jabange jakore twende ugotereta no ntugo gareta kejai jaroje. That's why cabinet is powerful. The cabinet is not a body. There should be no cabinet sittings kubat kwithirwa ke o minister ayata baka banga jaba kobanga na president jaga chitira ko kirato kwariria is an awakening and an awareness of what position Moga is holding. Now, if he does not reform, if he does not open his eyes, if he does not, Aremako smell the coffee. Already one day, a year after, the blood, the lives of those Gen Zs that lost their lives can without a representation in cabinet. Will be is going to bring him down.
Wambetukeria aruga Keremi, good morning. Salimia sana mgeni. Eric Moga is not a politician. Eric Moga is not a politician. Have you approached him as youths? Eric Moga is not a politician. Have you approached him as youths? Ni wako rio.
Eric Moga etebatinya kwithwa ake approach ako. Na when you go to Rome, do what the Romans do. No yongo gwita muthemba jwa situation and awareness. Kinya ketho ote tugerandi twitaga inya biatho. Nkaja kiatho gyaku no ketha we musabato kana we para bathunguthana gempe. Gempe karingo ambati kora kuthungutha. Nontu ni te takanisa kabu. Na ndiriria oero kanya na wetikiria. Bora ora ari bumbere kabuthiraga. No kuona. no today owo position at the cabinet level. That is a level decisions zira mingi chiko either political, economic and social. For socio-economic and political progress of this country. You cannot separate economic progress and political stability. At cabinet, the leader of cabinet is the President of the Republic of Kenya.
Okay.
Or in a responsibility, those three facets, an economic and political and social progress of this land. Na hau ni okarindi. Alafu worongame, I'm not a politician. I think we go abuse our own intelligence.
Right. Eric, a few days ago itonete former president Uhuru Kenyatta na ritremiari na kudro akionekana takago support the young people akibera they should fight for their rights. Same case tone nyaki the brother nyewe na radhiro akiuga akiaria manto the young people should come up and fight for their rights. Pengine, what do you think mosote focus ake Uhuru Kenyatta imbi eje gutuma Uhuru Kenyatta wetherwa akiritaga miario ta izi kagita kira the young people should come up, the young people should fight their right to igiro nyaki uga kuna watu wanaogopa vijana something like that. There are some leaders who fear the young people. I don't know why is the former president doing that?
Mpapa kuga hiyo mai tumuyetu na kwethereta kona disquiet kinya Murkomen rero na rari quite against remarks ya a former president akiwa itiko fit ke caliber ya former president and not in another angle at kuna democratic maturity na ke democracy otem to tena opinion no to kuga whether you are even if you are a civil servant kinyoke there we even former tikanyana former president kinya former MCA ukabatea raia tena kinya former governor kuna nya former kwa former tikugarande okweberwere ko equation yeweti nambere bwa Kenya na world over kinya America to na President Barack Obama na Barack Obama nyana participated ke campaign, I lead campaign nani Kamala Harris. Ojo rarunga ma against Kamala Harris. Nande ijawiti mantu mageni na tina yetu Kenya iko geria stifle our democratic space and growth. To agaraja ka kwa position ne jon kugarande no jamantu to against dhaishi mtu ayewa position au gate aria mantu raja eki weti nambere kana contrary opinion narande dhaishi no tokwende kurenge Afrika dhaishi egwetwa Burkina Faso ego chokia eko reverberate the African spirit na kugeria kureta Afrika irato kwenda kureta kinya na yetu na President Traore na tuiro Traore kaina spirit ya Thomas Sankara ogatega history Burkina Faso era edereto ena edereto very turbulent but wakinya ke Thomas Sankara higher position in government o jora mogauto kwa riri aerwe the first time ende aiku he kept na endelea kwaria mantira kona jatebu wiki mbio kethirikari aengwa thirikari ne mwichone achoka president thirikari riko na rule Burkina Faso for 4 years irachi renowned in fact Thomas Sankara it is not arguable he is the best African president to date in terms progress era thithio te president ongiromba kukinyira na ikyo gyatumire athithiro assassination attempt he is very close confident ora wajira the president of Cameroon for almost 20 something years now ora I think mwaka joka na last year orejere acquainted accused na aonekana ndiko merito ri kwe aithirwa aonekana noe woraire Thomas Sankara na abundu
Okay.
no kona well Traore akuja ke kaire after take over ke presidential guard cha president mbuga to kama rather kirwa but and we have Traore Urea who defied all odds. We want leaders who can stand on their feet, who are self-aware. Hiyo ni njira yonka aki etomba wiki Kenya mbere. So President Uhuru Kenyatta karungi kanya ne kawe nare ari president aithirikira bati kuthithia president nare ataithagia ito ukaira na toka kashifu ende tutaona wengwari very aggressive against contrary opinion kana criticism na inyakethera iko ina instances people stood out for them na ikeno to their progress non to tomba kuga yesterday is better than today na ito bat kuithirwa kethe mantu ikeno to na chance ko elect new leaders. So ikethirwa kwibyo Uhuru Kenyatta atathithia thirikari irio ina kanya kakorement kenderandi twithatuna progression na twithatwe mature in terms of democracy, in terms of our economy, political stability kena systems yodora che sasawa na antu socially twithatuna happy society.
Right. Kwa mtu ureaza nkwenda muchokeria aruga Gen Z will move to the streets and discourage the government. When the voting day comes, that's where they draw the line. Kome Gakoromone. Is that true?
That is the expectation. That is the fear. That is the worry. But kutethwa kuna another Gen Z uprising. Tutomba ko preempt. Na the IG movement ila nyingi cha young people. Chirithia na tuna IBC. Ne constitute. Kenda mass voter registration yambia. And you will be surprised kinyana bara perform echoes of war wakadha by part of a new clamor for change na mtu area mutegeri okwaria revolutions across the world have been led by young people katomba ko insinuate no to history record tumera lazima warire mantuja backed by history kuma Kenya yongwa independence bamwariama Baba Imungi Badenda Kimathi they fought for independence of this country at their prime. They were 20s now nyanto gwetia ko Kenya 35 otaga Kenya what we have momentum talking in terms of democratic space barabarwaga era in 1992 na run up to 1992 were in their 20s 30s no kona tumba discount our contribution to the Kenyan change the IG.
Right.
Yeah.
Kidogo nikienda tuthiura muthigo tu bwana Eric tunake manto jegie culture na art ara tukatha tukiongerera mugeni wetu antuku no twende kuigua ugeba kumuthia tukiingaga topic ezi ya manto jegie Gen Z na 1 year later iboreko
ambuge 1 year later Gen Z's ibambeta ko succeed but make it as in rating 1 to 10 to at 6.5.
All right.
Na kauga kinyete to kinya 10 ikora ndi twetete sikumera monkantu kwera tukaumira ki kuringa kura na kuchenjia Kenya na etethirira au no to another generation will still come and we will still be part of that Gen Z's will still be part of that generation. Ojora millennials twethera Gen Z kwethera toke contribute ki completion of that clamor na interere we succeeded to bring down the finance bill na ikino ntoko na dhaiko na a lot of civility when a lot of thought process na awareness creation by government what they are trying to bring as finance bill na by very cautious priorities ile kwa kwenda gwekira ninya bareta no to kuimurika and we are forced government to do very many things na dai no to pursue the slogan must go na kila to kugera it is the representation of corruption, impunity, non-responsive government, jaujongwa, injustice, ijetokuga must go. If actually no biete, then Gen Z will vote for that, for a gone era.
Right.
And 1 year later, the Gen Z momentum is on. Gen Z bakuwa be fulfilled gote generation ingi apart from generation youth uga ira charete independence that is a generation in Mau na the generation the second liberation ira repeal section 2A of the constitution ira multi-party democracy na rande o yu no yombere kungana na generation ingi tuletra new dispensation na kuleta new counties na nde Gen Z na new dispensation na create an accountable, transparent, responsive government.
Okay.
Nonto bara tuatira yes MPs and yes people part of the conduit iguita anto kenda ba wagete bamenye ba responsive na kino nto toko put a warning kana notice to the member of cabinet or ko represent Gen Z. The spirit that we represent is a spirit era eco stand up to mantiaja tetepoega na go create accountability, transparency in government na voices each on the chombe ko reflect across government in one department, one sector nonto mantionde jadirika ya wangiro kapondekera kimwekera ariku.
All right. Thank you so much Eric nonto mama daje tukatha tukirekanaga na urarierwa egio Gen Z au nikena tugatonya ire ntuko ya Friday kana ntuko ya Jumaa tugaitwenda kidogo kinya gutha tugitonya rutere rungirwa amantu jegi art talanta na sanaa na imbize nwethiretore mutongere kinya kirotere rurunge
Kabisa
tukatha tugicokagira mutegeri na tutonyere sanaa kidogo twebebere to mantu jegi siasa na Gen Z tumenye where are we as a county, where are we as a country, sanaa, culture, art, talent, twitete na mbere yata ugeta kuraza nyuma ndeka inkai sana twithirwe tugicokera and then ya turingeme.